Hey everyone, welcome to the Science Lab. Today we're going to try a super cool experiment called DIY lava lamp. You'll need food coloring, a scoop, a stirring stick, oil, salt, a glass jar, a phone or anything with a light, and hot water. First, fill the glass jar halfway with hot water. Add a few drops of food coloring and stir until the water is evenly colored. Next, carefully pour a layer of oil on top of the colored water. Now sprinkle a spoonful of salt onto the oil. The salt will sink to the bottom of the jar and you'll see bubbles forming and rising up through the oil. Once they reach the top of the oil layer, they'll disappear. Finally, turn on the flashlight on your phone and place it underneath the jar. Continue adding salt to the jar and watch what happens. The science behind this cool experiment is all about density and the way liquids interact. Oil is less dense than water, so it floats on top. Salt is denser than both oil and water, so it sinks to the bottom. When the salt dissolves, it releases air bubbles trapped in its spaces. These bubbles rise through the oil because they're even less dense than the oil. And when they reach the top of the oil layer, they burst, releasing the air. The light from the phone creates a beautiful effect as the bubbles move up and down in the jar.